Welcome. Let's talk about learning management systems. Learning management systems are widely used in educational institutions and various other organizations to provide structured and accessible learning experiences. Learning management systems promote communication and collaboration among learners by providing a platform for discussions to take place. Learners also have the ability to make connections to peer responses, ask questions, and even provide feedback to one another. This encourages constructive criticism, enhances communication skills, and promotes a sense of community within the learning environment. Popular examples of learning management systems include Canvas, Schoology, Google Classroom, and Moodle. Let's begin with Canvas. Canvas offers a variety of products that include a number of beneficial features. Canvas seamlessly integrates with platforms such as Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Adobe, and numerous other technology collaborators, creating a unified learning hub. It allows administrators to easily access and comprehend the data that holds the utmost significance for them to drive their instruction. Other tools that Canvas integrates into this learning management system include rubrics, modules to organize content, syllabi, calendars, schedules, quizzes, and access to a speed grader, which can cut your grading time in half. Teachers can also provide targeted feedback with annotations, use rubrics for scoring, share comments via video, and add grades to the gradebook and quickly create powerful, actionable reports about student progress. Canvas provides highly rated mobile applications designed for both teachers and students, ensure convenient access to essential tools on the move. Teachers can interact with students anytime and anywhere using mobile notifications on the Canvas app, featuring a top-notch data and security accessibility. Educators have the ability to communicate with individual students, groups, or the entire class using various mediums such as messaging, audio, notes, video, and more. Similarly, students can engage in collaborative efforts through chat groups, video, and other messaging tools. Canvas offers professional technical consultation to support technical teams in the implementation of products. You can utilize remote project managers, tailored project plans, technical proficiency, and either remote or on-site face-to-face working sessions to ensure your success with Canvas. Migration services, custom development, and technical consulting are also available. Through strategic planning, on-demand and customized training, professional learning workshops, course templates, and design consultation, Learning Services aims to support institutions in the successful adoption and utilization of their products. Training Services helps faculty, staff, administrators, and even learners learn how to use any of the products with a menu of offerings that meet the needs for asynchronous or synchronous learning. You can acquire first-hand experiences exploring learning progression using established frameworks, models, and research-based instructional practices. Canvas is tailored for K-12, higher education, and administrator settings. This opportunity will offer valuable insight into the creation and adaptive learning environments. While Canvas has many advantages, some disadvantages include the pricing, which is not advertised to the public. In order to get a quote, you'll need to reach out to the company. Just like with any other technology tool, some of the most common technical problems include poor mobile app performance, slow loading times, difficulty accessing certain features, and the inability to properly sync with some internal tools with third-party apps. Compared to other learning management systems available today, Canvas is lacking when it comes to customization options. It's pretty set in stone as to how it looks. Let's talk about Schoology next. Schoology is powered by PowerSchool, and it allows educators to blend the boundaries between student information systems and learning management systems. Students and parents can leverage read aloud and translation capabilities to be more connected than ever to instruction with the Microsoft Immersion Reader function. Schoology also offers supplementary features such as standards mastery tracking, parent engagement, support for younger learners, and an improved overall appearance and structure to the course layouts. They also offer free lesson planner modules, which empower teachers with efficient lesson planning tools, enabling them to ultimately save time, enhance collaboration, and improve instructional alignment. Schoology allows you to connect students, parents, teachers, and the community in one flexible online platform. You can ensure that you have the data you need to better personalize instruction and support individual needs with tailored learning content. It allows educators to utilize pre-made social and emotional learning surveys and compare data to additional measures to help identify students at risk. You can assess student progress to address instructional gaps in real time and provide personalized learning experience regardless of where students are in their learning. PowerSchool experts and dedicated project managers guide you through product onboarding, implementation, configuration, and training to quickly get you up and running. You can reach out to their extensive support network anytime you need support. Engage with K-12's largest EdTech customer community. PowerSchool's award-winning community of champion mentors and user groups provide a vast network of resources. Let's take a look at Schoology's cons. Again, the company does not advertise pricing to the public, so in order to get a quote, you would need to reach out to the company. Similarly to Canvas, this is another technology tool, so it comes with those technical problems, such as slow loading times, difficulty accessing certain features, and again, that inability to properly sync with some third-party apps. The website was hard to navigate to find information on Schoology. Although there was a lot of different elements or products that PowerSchool offers, the depth of knowledge was lacking on Schoology. The website also mentioned that there is an app, however, not a lot of information could be found on this topic. Let's talk about Google Classroom next. Some features of Google Classroom is that they offer a variety of premium features to enhance student learning. It's easy to integrate Google Apps into your classroom's workspace. That includes creating and assigning Google Docs, Sheets, Forms, Slides, and others to engage students in interactive learning. Google Classroom also provides educators the option to make a forced copy for students or to assign content for students to collaborate on the same task. Google Classroom allows teachers to customize their workspace with images for headers, font styles, as well as colors to help match classroom themes. You can easily find, add, use, and grade content with add-ons from popular EdTech tools right within Google Classroom. They also offer plagiarism identity by comparing student work against billions of web pages, over 40 million books, and other previously submitted student work in the school-owned content repository. You can create a link for your class and then share it with peers in the organization so they can also easily preview, select, and import classwork to their classes or to your own. Google Classroom allows educators to grade and provide feedback to students to help drive instruction across multiple classes. Automatic grading is available with certain apps, as well as the option to use customized rubrics that students can see before submitting their work. Classroom Analytics provides insight and visibility to how students turn in, perform on, and engage with assignments so educators can make informed decisions about the best way to provide support. Google Classroom also easily syncs classroom rosters on a variety of other websites such as Prodigy, Bottle, or Epic. Collaboration with Google Classroom is a beneficial feature that allows teachers to communicate with students as well as students to communicate with their peers. Some of the cons or disadvantages of Google Classroom would be the pricing. The pricing of this LMS is a disadvantage in my eyes, ultimately because it is up to the district and the district's budget for what you will access. So they have 4 different levels: Education Fundamentals, Education Standard, Teaching and Learning Upgrade, and then Education Plus. Education Fundamentals is free to qualifying institutions, but when you look on their website, this doesn't offer a ton. Education Standard is $3 per student per year, and with that you get 1 staff license per 4 student licenses. Teaching and Learning Upgrade is $4 per license per year. Education Plus is $5 per student per year, and with that you get 1 staff license per every 4 student licenses. And again, for more information on what's included in each package, please refer to the Google Classroom Editions website. Just like with any other technology tool, again, those common problems, including poor mobile app performance, slow loading times, and difficulty accessing certain features. Another disadvantage is if you have multiple Google accounts, you constantly have to verify or sign in when switching. This also means that when you make copies of items or add items to your drive, they sometimes go to the wrong account. Another disadvantage of Google Classroom is parental involvement. Google Classroom only offers weekly email notifications that gives a brief overview of student work from the week. Parents do not have access to the Google Classroom and would need to use their student's account and Chromebook to look at their assignments and grades. Lastly, let's take a look at Moodle. Some features that Moodle offers include you to tailor content and tasks for every kind of learner at every stage of their learning journey. Moodle is customizable with options for color themes, logos, and more. You can motivate and encourage your students throughout their online learning journey with badges, certificates, and other gamification features that drive engagement and build a sense of achievement with your students. Moodle allows you to translate content into over 160 different languages, allowing anyone to access and understand the information. There are over 2,000 different plugins that you can use to extend the platform. Some of the plugins include Plagiarism Check, Quiz Archive to see student progress, word cards for vocabulary, and even sticky notes for brainstorming and collaboration. Moodle offers free courses for administrators, educators, and instructors to learn how to get started. You can set up activities within Moodle LMS to unlock after certain dates or milestones and save time with automated grading. Moodle also allows teachers to easily track and record student progress to get insights into predicting and supporting students at risk of failing and making informed teaching decisions. You can also import or create learning plans for individual students or groups of learners that need differentiation. This option also allows students to provide evidence of understanding. You can foster collaborative learning with web conferencing, forums, and assignments. Enable peer review in workshops and self-reflect in blogs, and keep learners updated with calendar, in-course communication options, with messaging or any other messaging system and notification. Some disadvantages to Moodle. According to reviews on Moodle, this LMS can be difficult to navigate specific tools and has an outdated platform. Several reviewers have observed that the reporting tools within Moodle don't meet the requirements adequately, and often they find themselves depending on third-party plugins to generate comprehensive reports or a process that can be kind of inconvenient and time-consuming. While the grading function is a beneficial feature, it's also a disadvantage. Again, from some reviews, the gradebook function in Moodle has been a source of frustration for many users. They often find it complex and overwhelming with numerous options and settings that can be difficult to understand. The complexity leads to an increase in support questions and makes it challenging for beginners or even intermediate users to effectively utilize the gradebook. Another disadvantage of Moodle is parental involvement. Parents don't have much access to the Moodle Classroom page, similarly to Google Classroom, and would need to use their student's account to look at any assignments or grades. Thank you for joining me talking about learning management systems today.